Hi guys, welcome back. This is Maths 3000. Today we're going to use first principles to differentiate f of x equals sine x. So to do this, you'll need to know the first principles formula, which is shown in the red box. So that is f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h, and we're looking at when the limit of h approaches 0. And the other thing I've put in the red box is the addition formula for sine. That's sine A plus B equals sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Because we'll need to use this pretty early on. Okay, so let's get started then. So let's substitute our numbers into our formula. So we're looking when the limit of h approaches 0. So on the numerator we've got sine x plus h minus sine x over h. So if we use our addition formula for sine x plus h, so we can write this as sine x cos h plus cos x sine h minus sine x all divided by h. And we're looking at when the limit of h approaches 0. So what we can do next then is we can factorise the top bit like this. So we can do sine x cos h minus 1 plus cos x sine h. So I've just factorised the first term and the last term on the top line. I've done nothing with the middle term. And we've got to divide that by h. So if I move this up. Okay, so I can now write this as two separate fractions. So we're looking at the limit of h approaching 0 of sine x times by cos h minus 1 over h plus the limit when h approaches 0 of cos x sine h over h. So we can now use two pretty standard limits. Okay, so we can assume that cos h minus 1 over h, so we can assume that approaches 0, and we can also assume that the limit of h approaching 0 of sine h over h, that approaches 1. So on our next line we're going to get sine x times 0 plus cos x times 1. Okay, so this will give us 0 plus cos x. So our final answer is cos x. So I hope you like this video then guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you next time.